I want to share a little grocery haul with you guys. I went to Walmart and Sam's and got quite a few things that I needed for the week. I got some Caesar salad, eggs, orange juice, paper plates because it makes my life so much easier. My daughter loves this bread. I got milk, oven roasted turkey breast, ground turkey, salmon, which I'm kind of disappointed at what Sam's is doing with the salmon now. They're cutting it in half and giving it to you in 2 pieces. And I feel like, honestly, they're giving you way less salmon than they usually would. And I paid $25 just for these 2 pieces, which honestly, I can cut this in 2 and maybe this in 3. And I only have 5 pieces of salmon. I got this cheese, I got avocado, corned beef, tomato sauce, banana. So this side is from Walmart and this side is from Sam's. I got tortillas, yogurt, mashed potatoes, apple juice, tortilla chips, cupcakes for the kids. We're gonna make some cupcakes tonight and I'm so excited to do that with them. Swiss cheese, cinnamon rolls. I like to use this white cooking wine. Mayo, ketchup, marinara sauce or pasta sauce, hot dog buns, toast for whenever I make any pasta, shredded cheese, eggs, spaghetti, waffle, sour cream, of course, coffee. And I got these little turkey sausage that I like to put in the green split beans. My daughter loves to have these. Black beans, hot dogs, and I also got paper towels and Tide and Downy. So this is all that I got for the week. And I forgot this over here. So all of this is from Sam's. Don't mind, I'm making some nuggets in the oven for lunch right now. I got syrup, French vanilla, coffee creamer. I got this for my husband, and I also got this for him.
We are who we are.
Today's main focus is going to be my fridge. It's been about a year and a half since we've had this fridge, and I've honestly haven't deep cleaned it ever. So I just wanted to get that done, and I also wanted to organize it just a little bit more with some containers that I bought off of Amazon.
That brings us down. So come on now.
I'm gonna start off by taking everything out of the fridge, and then I'm gonna go in one by one and take all of the shelves out and give them a good cleaning and also wipe down the inside of the fridge.
Doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am.
I want to introduce myself to those that are new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Eva. I am a wife, stay-at-home mom of 2, 7 months pregnant, expecting a baby girl. I love creating cleaning and organization content. This is something that I enjoy doing and I like sharing it with you guys. So if this is something that you guys like to watch, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you finish watching today's video.
always do. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
One step forward and another back, I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you.
I found these really good quality clear bins on Amazon. I was a 10 piece for only $30. So if you're looking for a good, bins, go ahead and go to Amazon. They really have good ones and for good prices.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, when you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know you got me wrapped around your finger, tell me what you wanna do, I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, 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 baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, baby, without
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Ooh, wide awake is the way that you left me. I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
Now that I have my fridge nice and clean and organized, I'm gonna go ahead and put away everything else that's on the counter so I can give the counters a good wipe down.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. sight doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, that's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Here's how the fridge turned out. I love how organized it looks. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. God bless.